Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete multiple transactions in QuickBooks Online. In this walkthrough, we'll quickly clean up unwanted items from your bank feed in bulk. In QuickBooks Online, this action is done by excluding transactions from the For Review list, which effectively removes them from your workflow. Don't worry, excluding doesn't affect your actual bank account, and it doesn't erase data from your ledger unless those items were already added. It simply pulls them out of the review queue so they don't clutter your books. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing into your company. Once you're in, look to the main left-hand navigation. Hover your mouse over the accounting section. Depending on your view, this is where you'll access the banking area that holds your connected accounts and their incoming transactions. Next, click Bank Transactions. You may also see this labeled as Banking or Transactions, then Banking. This takes you to the familiar tile view of your linked bank and credit card accounts. Make sure you're on the For Review tab since that's where unprocessed bank feed items appear before they're added to your books. Now it's time to choose what you want to remove. Select multiple transactions by checking the boxes on the left of each line. You can scroll, filter by account, payee, category, or date range to narrow the list before selecting. Take a moment to verify each item. If a transaction is matched to an existing record, review that match so you don't exclude something you actually want to keep. If you're cleaning up duplicates or test imports, selecting in bulk here is the fastest method. When your selections look right, use the exclude option. Depending on your layout, you'll either see an exclude button or a batch actions menu where you can choose exclude selected. Confirm the choice, QuickBooks will move those items from For Review to the excluded tab. That's your safety net. If you excluded something by mistake, you can go to excluded and undo it, which returns the item to For Review for processing. A few tips as you wrap up. Excluding is ideal for bank feed entries you don't plan to add, like duplicates or personal charges on a business feed. It won't delete transactions that have already been added to your register. For those, review them in the register or consult your accountant for the best cleanup approach. After excluding, refresh the page and confirm your For Review list now reflects only the items you want to work with. That's it. You've efficiently removed multiple transactions at once, keeping your bank feed clear and your workflow focused.